Good evening everyone. If you watch my vlog a lot, you will realize that I rarely do any evening vlogs. Today is one of the exceptions because I'm here in Senayan and there's one place here where you can have lots of Sate Taichan. Like the entire street is covered with Sate Taichan. Oh, okay. Oh man, it's already here. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's eat. Whoa. Okay, so this Taichan satay is a new phenomenon. It's been here. Since when is the phenomenon here?
2013.
Yeah, since 2013. Yeah. Basically, what it is half cooked kind of chicken
without much marination.
And also, they don't give you the peanut sauce that you usually find in Malaysian or Indonesian satay. This is sambal, right?
Yeah.
Sambal with shallots and maybe I don't know what's in there. But okay, let's give it a try. Oh man, because it's half cooked, it's still juicy, it's not dry, and it's all lean meat without any fat. The one that I got at least, but it's still juicy. That's how good it is. And the sauce is slightly sour, a bit spicy. Really, really good. And we're done with Taichan. So how was Taichan satay?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, right?
It's different.
One thing that I feel is special about Taichan is the meat is actually quite salty. So when you eat it, there's a hint of saltiness that is quite pleasing. Not for everyone though, because if you like Indonesian satay, you might not like this one. You might find this strange. But to me, after trying it for a few times, I kind of grow accustomed to the taste. This is definitely an acquired taste.
And it's spicy, so I like it.
Yep.
Jadi katanya dulu Taichan itu karena ada orang Jepang ke Indonesia, itu dia pengen buat sate sendiri dan dia bilang itu namanya sate Taichan. Sate Taichan itu jadi daging ayam, terus dia kasih jeruk nipis sama garam doang dan dia masak setengah matang. Kalau mau lihat info lengkapnya di sini ya juga ada.
Terima kasih, itu bagus. Bagus. We're also gonna try nasi goreng gila. Nasi goreng gila literally means crazy fried rice. Wow, and nasi goreng is here. Nasi goreng gila. So this is nasi goreng gila. There's like eggs, vegetables in it. There's also some fish cakes. Like, oh, is that bakso? Bakso is meatball if you watch the previous video. Cucumber, and then some keropok. Keropok is like a snack, but usually in Indonesia they eat it this way. They scoop it with the keropok, and then after that you can eat it this way. Okay, let's try that. What makes Indonesian fried rice better than Malaysian fried rice is because you see the rice? They don't stick to each other. They're like individual component, individual unit. So when you eat, you don't feel like it's soggy. There's no sogginess to it. It's not oily. It's a good combination overall. Definitely best fried rice in the world. Okay, controversial. Wow, so good, man. Oh my god. Hey, Amalia, you have to try this. You have to try. Really? Oh.
Later.
Hey guys, and now for the second stop, we made our way to Pecenongan. Pecenongan is a place in Jakarta where there's a lot of really good food around here. It's famous for seafood, porridge, and also for martabak. Okay, you're gonna see what martabak is in a while. So for our final stop, we're gonna eat some martabak. And martabak is a type of like a pancake. And in Malaysia, we would probably call this apom balik, but it's actually not apom balik. They usually have like cheese on top. They'll layer it with some chocolate. They'll throw in some condensed milk and they'll cut it up. What? I usually like the ones at the side because there's like the crispy part. So you get the crunch and also the softness of the martabak. You see, it's very, very soft. Oh. Oh, Amalia, so soft, so cheesy, and so crispy at the side. How's yours? So good, right? Enak nggak? Enak kan? Ah. Why is martabak better than apam balik? It's crispy, juicy, cheesy, delicious. You see? Look at how soft that is. Check out the air pockets there. Apam balik doesn't have that. It's usually very dense and very starchy. This is not starchy at all. This is so good. Terima kasih. Alright guys, that's it for this really short video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always,
Don't forget to subscribe.